Hello students, let's do the exercise questions of the lesson Rip Van Winkle, class 5th English. So let us start with question number 1. Circle the correct meaning of the given words. Here the words are given and 3 options are given. We have to choose right one option. Idle away means wasted. Constant मीन्स स्टडी, जो एक प्लेस पर स्थिर रहे, कांस्टेंट रहे. कंपेनियन पार्टनर. रियलाइज टू अंडरस्टैंड. डिसेंड टू मूव डाउन. बैरल a wooden container contents the ingredients. Next, match the words in the box with their meanings. Near the lower part of a mountain. Foothills. With grey hair means grizzled. To rub gently means stroked. To be very surprised, astonished. Known to you, familiar. Next, say whether the following sentences are true or false. Rip was kind to children. It is true. Rip was a hard-working man. It is false. Next, the short old man on the mountain was his constant companion. No, it is false. Who was his companion? The dog. Next, Rip helped the old man on the mountains because he wanted to have a drink from the barrel. False. Rip was away for 20 years because he was asleep on the mountains. It is true. The drink from the barrel made him fall asleep for 20 years. Yes, it is true. Nobody recognized Rip when he came back because he had reached the wrong village. No, it is false. Complete the following sentences. Rip's village was situated at the foothills of the Catskill. Next, the children of the village loved him because he played with them. He refers here to Rip Van Winkle. The dog named Wolf was his constant companion. The villagers stared at him because no one knew him. The old woman who recognized Rip was his old neighbor. Next, what were the strange things about the man on the mountains? So, the answer is they all were dressed in the same way. They had beards of various shapes and colors. They were serious even while playing games. They were very short-heighted. Next, what kind of a man was Rip Van Winkle? He was a kind neighbor. He was ready to help anyone. He loved children. He was a lazy man. Next, pick out the names of the games mentioned in the story. So, the games are flying kites, 9 pines, shooting marbles, and mountain climbing. Next, sometimes we join two words to make a describing word. For example, Rip was a good-natured man. Everybody liked him. Here are some more describing words. Use them to complete the given paragraph. Here a paragraph is given and we have to put these describing words into this paragraph. Mrs. Das has a dash job in a clothes job. Yes, it's a clothes shop. Mrs. Das has a part-time job in a clothes shop. Yesterday, an odd-looking woman walked into the shop. She was wearing high-heeled shoes. A well-dressed dog was with her. I want a long-sleeved shirt for my dog, please, she said. For your dog? Asked Mrs. Das, open-mouthed in surprise. Yes, replied the woman. I want him to be sweet looking for my next party. So all these are describing words. What is the common in the following groups of words? Knee, knife, not, no. You can see the pronunciation of all these words. Knee, knife, not, no. Here K is silent. In all these words K is silent. Next, neighbor, neighbor, daughter, fight, straight. Listen again. Neighbor, daughter, fight, straight. Here GH is silent. Next, honest, honor, hour, year. In these words H is silent. Try and make more silent words. Look, this word GNAT. Its pronunciation is gnat. Gnat. Gnat means biting flies. मधुमक्खी जो काटती है, काटने वाली मधुमक्खी. So similar words Nash and na. Here G is silent. Nash means दांतों को कड़कड़ाना, दांतों को पीसना. And na. Na means कुतरना. So here G is silent. Next, tongue. Tongue. Similar words vague, morgue. Here UE are silent words, silent letters. Vague means not clearly understood and morgue means मुर्दाघर जहाँ पर शव रखे जाते हैं. Chalk, talk, walk. Silent word is L. Chalk, talk, walk. Next, whistle. Listen again. Whistle. Bustle and nestle. So